Hey guys, Chef Sam here. Today we're going to be doing guacamole salsa, so let's get into the video. What we got here are 4 main ingredients: cilantro, onion, avocado, and 2 serrano peppers. We're first going to cut the onion in half. And then we're going to take that half and cut that in half. And then we're going to cut it in half one more time. Once that's done, peel the onion skin back, as you can see, and throw it into the blender. We're going to take the avocado now and start to cut it. Just move your onions to the side or put them away. We are going to cut a vertical line through the avocado, as you can see, all the way around. And we're going to do horizontal and vertical lines in the avocado so that they come out as cubes. Just an easier way to get them out. I'm using a knife at the moment to scoop it out, but I will be using a spoon later on because it is not safe. Now we're going to take out the pit of the avocado. A little trick that I've seen is if you let the knife fall onto the avocado pit and you make an X, it'll be easier to take it out. Do not throw away the pit. I threw it into the sink because I had a bowl in there to save it, but keep that for later because you need it for the avocado salsa. I'm using the spoon now to scoop out the avocado. Make sure that you get everything inside because you don't want anything left. As we see, the knife didn't do a good job in scooping out the avocado anyways, so that's why I went back and scooped out the rest. Save those, and then put the pit inside of the skins left over. And then we're gonna grab our cilantro. You wanna take a handful out of the bunch of cilantro. And you just wanna rinse it or wash it before you throw it into the blender to be mixed. After you're done rinsing and washing it, you could throw it into the blender. Then you want to get your serranos. I cut them in half previously, so you just want to cut them in halves and just make sure that the bottom part of the serrano is gone, the stem part. You just want to cut that off and you're good to go. We're using only 2 for this one, but you could use more. We're going to use the half a cup and put water in it, and we're going to pour that into the blender. After that, you're going to take your salt and put 1/2 teaspoon of salt in. And now we're going to put some black pepper in there, 1/2 of a teaspoon as well. And once that is all in, and you got all your ingredients in there, you're going to blend it until everything is incorporated. Then you're going to take off your blender after you turn it off, and you're just going to mix it around just to make sure that nothing is stuck around the edges. because we're about to mix it again. So just take a spoon and mix the guacamole around. And we're gonna put it back right there to make space. But we're gonna grab a lemon and we're gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna cut that half into another half. So 1/4 of the lemon we're gonna use to squeeze into our guacamole. So make sure that you take out the seeds so that you don't get any. And it's okay if some of the lemon citrus falls in. It just make it a little better anyways. So once you do that, we're gonna blend it again. And we're just gonna blend it for like another couple seconds to just make sure that lemon is incorporated. You can also taste it at this moment to make sure that the seasoning of the salt and pepper as well. If not, you could put more, and if it's okay, then you're good to go. Then once it's done, you're gonna take it out. And right here, I'm just showing you the consistency that we want. It's gonna be a little chunkier, not as thin, sorry. It's gonna be a little thicker. So now we're just gonna scoop out the guacamole. Just scoop out all the guacamole because you don't want any to go to waste. And then once you got everything, all the goodness in there, the guacamole goodness, you're gonna take the pit that I told you to save and drop it in. And yeah, that's how you make guacamole salsa. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and leave a comment below on how you did.